Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and we have an 03 Tundra with us, and I'm going to show you the way to do proper maintenance on the battery. And this stands for any battery, technically. On this particular model we have a top post, and we have a positive terminal and negative terminal. These terminals are nice and clean, they just like got road dirt on them, and that's fine. So I'm going to leave them attached when I clean them. If they had the white cream all over it, the powder and green stuff, that would need a deeper cleaning, and that would involve disconnecting the battery. I don't need to disconnect the battery here, so I'm just going to do a surface clean. And with that, manufacturers make a battery spray, which is just a spray that will foam up. Get it underneath, get it on both of them. Makes a royal mess, as you can see. And let that do its job and scrub. I'll put a wire brush on there. If it was to disconnect the terminals, I would use a terminal brush, which you can pick up at any parts store. Cheap money, couple bucks. And that's for the post, and that's for the inside of the terminal. Cleaning right there. I'm going to tell you what I don't recommend. I don't recommend baking soda cleaning with the battery attached, because the caps, they are sealed, but they're not sealed 100%. If you were to soak this down and put baking soda on there and let that eat away, it works great. Don't get me wrong. I use it on the terminal ends when it's disconnected, in a cup away from the battery. That baking soda can make its way into the cap, and that will kill this battery instantly. It neutralizes the acid in there. So baking soda all over the top of the battery and then soaking it down with water, I do not recommend that. If it's left too long, it gets seeped down into a cap, neutralize this battery right out. Take the terminal off and you have a cap full of baking soda and water and you want to dip it in that, that's the way to go. Not on top of the battery. That's why you can pick up this cleaner and do it that way. Just take a wire brush if you need to, clean up underneath. I'm gonna actually, this is where I strongly recommend safety glasses. You can't control everything. And I just clean around it. See the red? The red is indicating a little bit of battery acid. It looks great. These are nice and clean, so just rinse them with water. I have a catch pan underneath. If you wanted to check the maintenance on your battery, as far as the cells, you could go to your local garage. It's qualified to do that. If you want to do it yourself, I strongly recommend a fracometer. You're going to open the cover and you're going to go into each cell and check the reading and test the reading. That's how you could tell if you have a dead cell or if you have a strong battery for the life of the winter. At this point, we're all set. Terminals are nice and tight. I just cleaned them. You can spray them once they dry with a terminal protector. It's just a spray that covers it from the corrosion rebuilding on it. And that's the maintenance for a battery.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.